Oh, look, here it comes. There it is, there it is, there it is.
Hey guys, it's Joel with AWT Golf Carts. Today we're taking over the American Wheel Tire YouTube page. Got a fully custom golf cart for the Houston Texans. We've got it loaded up, ready to go, so let's check it out. On 610 South right now, heading to NRG, about to deliver Toro's new golf cart to the boys on Kirby. Texans are obviously in mini camp right now up in Pittsburgh, but I can't wait for them to see it when they get back. I think Toro's going to be more than hyped, as hyped as I am for the new season. Now we did everything to this truck, as you can see. We did a custom wrap to match the new uniforms, new wheels and tires, chrome red to match the new uniforms. We did sound system underneath, on the front, on the back, kicker LED speakers with these stadium speakers that will really rock the stadium when we're driving out of the tunnel. LED whip lights with flags that will go with the Houston Texans colors. We did everything to it. So we went to the wrong gate, messed up a little bit, but I think we know where we're going now. So we just delivered the cart, showing off all the features, all the sound system, all the lights and everything. I think they're impressed. So if y'all need anything for y'all's golf carts, don't forget, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you can think of it, we will do it. We just finished unveiling the cart to the Texans. They loved it. I want to give my biggest thanks to the Texans and Ford for letting us do this. I can't wait to see it coming out of the tunnel and at y'all's tailgates this season. Let's go Texans. Let's get ready for the season.